уже 20 секунд и начинаем.
Если они все из Эквадора, я что-то не спросила заранее. Ага, все можно?
Все?
Hello, dear applicants. My name is Ekaterina Yurievna. You have my contact number. You all contacted me for the last days while applying to our university. And now we are going to start our discussion about the exam that you are going to have tomorrow. Tomorrow is your first entrance exam in chemistry. First, I will tell you about some technical moments. So the first moment that you should remember is that you should be ready with your camera and passport. So your computer should have camera and how it will be. So exam starts at 2 o'clock and you are ready with your computer, with your camera on, right? You go to the link that you receive in your applicant's account and the website will ask you to show your passport on camera. After that, the system, the website, will ask you to show your workplace, your table, because it is important that you do everything on your own without any help from other people, from different books or telephone. So you should show the computer, the system that everything is. So there is nothing on your table that you can use to help you. So after that, the system will allow you to do the test. And after you complete the test, you just leave this website, the system, and wait for the results. The results will be ready the next day. So please tell me, do you need to hear this information in Spanish? You can write the comments. Estudiantes de Ecuador, si necesitan esta información en español, pueden escribir el comentario. Y no hablo español muy bien, pero trato de explicar todo lo que puedo. No comentarios. Bueno. Now I give the floor to the chemistry teacher who will give you information about the content of the exam. So please welcome Irina Sergeyevna, chemistry teacher.
Добрый день, уважаемые абитуриенты. Завтра вам предстоит вступительное испытание по химии, которое будет включать химию неорганическую и химию органическую.
So hello dear applicants, tomorrow you are going to have exam in chemistry and the exam will consist of two parts, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry.
Экзамен будет состоять только из тестовых заданий.
The exam will consist only of test questions.
На работу вам будет выделено 60 минут.
You will have 1 hour to do all the tests.
В задании будет 25 тестов.
But the test will be very short. It's 25 questions.
Максимальный балл, который вы можете получить, это 100 баллов.
Maximum points will be 100 points.
Для проверки модуля вы можете пройти пробное тестирование.
To check how the system works, you can do the preliminary test before doing the real exam.
Ссылка на тестирование отправлена вам на электронную почту.
On your email, you have the link to the test. You should connect tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and it will be available. The link will be available until 7 o'clock. So you can connect from 2 to 7 o'clock, but remember that you should have 1 hour to do the test. So you should consider this in your time planning.
Благодарю за внимание и удачи.
So thank you for attention and good luck. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. Мы сейчас подождем немножко, вопрос, может быть, зададут. У нас же ребята еще из Эквадора поступали. Sí, en español, en español. Ok. No hablo español muy bien, pero trato de explicar todas las cosas. A 2 horas mañana tienen que conectarse con al sitio que tienen en el correo electrónico y tienen que preparar el pasaporte, cámara de la computadora. Cuando el examen empieza, ustedes muestran su pasaporte a la cámara, muestra su mesa, que no hay ninguna cosa en la mesa que pueden utilizar para ayudar en el examen. Que no hay las personas en el cuarto, otras personas, porque para que nadie les ayude. Y el examen será de 2 horas a 7 horas. Pueden conectarse de 2 horas a 7 horas mañana, pero tienen solamente 1 hora para hacer el test. Por eso tienen que planificar su tiempo. Can you use the periodic table during the exam? Могут ли использовать периодическую таблицу? В каком виде можно использовать?
Если нам нужно будет распечатать, бумажный вариант.
Yes, you can use the periodic table during the exam. It should be printed and put on your table. Pueden utilizar table periódico de Mendeleev, pero tiene que ser imprimida. Disculpa, mi español es muy mal. Other questions? Also, you can use the calculator. Прям вот настоящий калькулятор, да? Не нужен. I'm sorry, it was wrong information.
Только табличка, там тестовое задание, там задач нет.
Okay. You can't use calculator. I'm really sorry for the wrong information. No, you can't use calculator, only periodic table. Other questions, please? So please be positive about tomorrow's exam. It will be not as difficult as you may think, because you are foreign applicants for our university, and there is a special test which is not the same as for Russian students. Your test will be in English, and it's not. It doesn't have the same level of difficulty as for other applicants. So last year, almost everybody passed it. So don't worry about not passing it. Everything will be fine, and we will support you in anything. So if you have any troubles, problems, you can contact me. On the platform it says that we have to send a photograph. This is after the exam. Um, you should про личный кабинет абитуриента. You should attach the photo to your applicant's account. You're right, and it should be done as soon as possible if you haven't done it yet. If you did it, it's okay. But not only photo, you remember that you have a lot of documents, for example, passport, translation of passport, school certificate, translation of school certificate, nostrification, also medical documents, certificates that you received when you did fingerprints. You also need to attach them to your applicant's account. And yes, as for the documents, I think that's it. I hope there will be possibility to attach them after the exam, but better if you attach all the required documents before the exam. Today I opened the access to editing your applications. If you have any troubles, please contact me and tell me that. So I have a trouble, I can't edit, and I will help you as soon as I can. No, the platform says this. And the platform for the exam. Они говорят, что они сейчас загрузили, ну, то есть зашли в эту платформу к экзамену, и он у них сейчас просит фото.
Обязательно делаем фотографию.
Перед экзаменом?
Да.
Второй части письменной бумаги. Мне кажется,
Там
он
хорошо будет, расскажите это. Там просто, да, общий загружен сейчас.
Так, now you entered this link and it is too early. This is why you see some incorrect information. For example, the information that you now sent to the chat about writing something on the paper. So don't worry about this. This will not apply to you. When you enter the link at the time of exam, nothing like this will be seen in the platform. And also, yes, you are right about the platform. You should enter and do the photo. It will be before the exam. Before the exam, you enter and do the photo. More questions? Мне кажется, тут небольшой задержка все идет. Okay, you're welcome. So if you don't have any more questions, or if you have any questions after the consultation, you can contact me. You all have my number. Or yes, I think all the applicants who are applying in June, they have my number. My name is Ekaterina, and you have it on WhatsApp. So please write me a message. I will answer as quickly as I can. And again, good luck to you. Everything will be very well tomorrow, and I'm sure that in some months you will become our students and future doctors. So goodbye. Все, да?